Hey guys, Carlos with the HID Factory, and today I got the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK, I'm sorry. So we did on this one, guys, if you want to come over here and look, we have these pre-built LED projected lights. So what we like about these pre-built ones, the all-in-one units, you're not just changing out the bulb, you're changing out everything. You get a projected lens, so that's shooting the light out where you need it up front. And as well as that, they are LED, everything's sealed. The cool thing about these sealed ones on these Jeeps is, guys, you guys are taking these outdoors, over everything, underwater. These sealed beams are going to be protected from dirt, moisture, everything. And again, we also do those fog lights. The cool thing about these, we've also added halos to this. So this comes in 3 different stages. It comes basic, which is just the 2 LED projectors, the black housing or chrome. The upgrade from that is going to be the switchback, where you get white halos that turn amber when you blink. And our top model is this one, which is ColorSHIFT. And like all our models, they do come with, it's going to work off your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and I'm going to cycle through the colors. So again, once you have it cycling, you can let it be. You can pick your favorite color or have it like this. And again, guys, this is something we sell online. If you want to check us out, I'll put the product link here, and it's thehidfactory.com. Also, if you want to see more videos on Jeeps, we do a lot of Jeeps, we do a lot of cars. If you're looking for your vehicle specific, check us out on YouTube. Our screen is The HID Factory. Or check us out on Facebook as well. On the YouTube videos or any videos we do post up, guys, we do give away free prizes. You just gotta like and subscribe. I'll put that link right here to the right. And yeah, any other questions, guys, just give a call at the shop. And as always, thanks for watching.